Has your Instagram account been suspended? Seeing a suspension notice can be frustrating, especially if you rely on Instagram for personal use, content creation, or business activities. In this guide, I'll show you how to address Instagram account suspension issues and request a review in 2026. Instagram may suspend accounts for various reasons, including suspected violations of community guidelines, unusual activity, security concerns, spam-like behavior, or repeated policy violations. Start by reviewing the information provided by Instagram. The notification may explain the reason for the suspension and provide instructions for the next steps. If Instagram provides an appeal or review option, select it and follow the instructions. You'll usually be asked to confirm your identity or provide additional information. Instagram may request identity verification through email, phone number confirmation, or official identification documents. Complete the process accurately and honestly. If your suspension is related to unusual activity or a possible security issue, change your password and enable two-factor authentication. This can help protect your account from unauthorized access. Review any third-party apps or services connected to your account. Remove access for tools you don't recognize or no longer use. After submitting an appeal, avoid sending multiple requests in a short period of time. Wait for Instagram to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on the email address associated with your Instagram account. Instagram may send updates, requests for additional information, or a final decision. If your account is restored, take time to review Instagram's community guidelines and platform policies to help prevent future restrictions. Account reviews can take time depending on the situation. Response times vary, so patience is important while waiting for a decision, and that's how to address Instagram account suspension issues. Carefully following Instagram's appeal process, completing any verification requests, and securing your account can improve your chances of resolving the problem. So stay patient, follow the official instructions, and monitor your email for updates from Instagram. Thanks for watching.